Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna do a tutorial and a review on the Kiss Impress Press On Manicure. So this is how they look like. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So here's how the packaging looks like. There's also this clear area where you can see some of the nails. And on the back, as you can see, there are some instructions on how to apply the nails. And when we remove the outer box, we can see all the nails with the different sizes in this compartment at the top. And also on the back, we can see other stuff that we need to use. So this is the first step that we need to do before applying the nail. It's called the prep pad. It's basically a wipe that you use to remove any excess oils on your nails. And on the back there's this tiny nail file which I find really useless. And finally we have this stick that helps you remove the nails of your natural nails. Now the first thing you want to do is choose the sizes that suit you best. If you can't find your exact size and you can only find a smaller and a bigger one, then choose the smaller one. Now after I've chosen all the nails that I'm gonna use, I'll remove the rest. Now be careful to check the application instructions before going in. As you can see, there's this plasticky sticker thing. This thing should be facing downwards in the direction of your fingers and not the opposite. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the wipe to clean up my nails, but also I recommend you guys wash your hands first as well. Now I'm gonna start applying the nails. Here's this plasticky thing facing my finger, and now I'm gonna remove it and stick the nail to my natural nail really close to my cuticles. Be careful, you wanna be so accurate while applying them, because once you apply it, it really sticks. So once you apply it, you wanna press on the nail starting from the center going outwards to the sides of the nail. Keep pressing until you feel the nail has really stuck. I'm gonna repeat that for this finger and I'm gonna fast forward for the rest of this hand, so please pay attention. So again, the plasticky thing facing my finger. Now I'm gonna remove it, stick the nail and press on it starting from the center going outwards until the nail is stuck and good to go. And that's it, super easy. Okay, so this is how the nails are looking like. I really love this lens and I love the color, and this is not the first time I tried them. I tried them before and they really last a long time if you apply them in the way that I showed you before. And for me, I took a shower with it, I washed the dishes with it, so it's really good. Especially if you're like me, you don't want to do like the gel or acrylic nails. I don't want to do that. I don't want to ruin my natural nails, but I really like them and they look really beautiful, and they also look really natural if you chose the right sizes for your nails. I really like them and they're a good alternative for the gel and acrylic nails, as I told you before. And also if you can't grow your nails like me, this is a really good product, and the price is also really reasonable, so I really recommend you guys try these Kiss Impress Press On Manicure. And they also have a really good variety of colors, and also there are the shiny ones like these, and also there are mattes. I really love them, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up more colors because they're really easy to apply, as I showed you, and they're easy to remove as well, and they don't ruin your natural nails at all, like 100% guaranteed. So that's why I recommend them. So this is it for me, guys. Let me know in the comments if you tried these on, if you're interested in trying them on. Let me know in the comment section down below. I thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!